Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Legend of Runeterra. To begin, your main objective is to strategically reduce your opponent's Nexus health from 20 down to 0. You'll construct a 40-card deck, combining cards from two of the game's 10 distinct regions, each offering unique playstyles. Players alternate turns, spending mana to play units and spells, with mana gems refilling every round. Understanding the game board is crucial. You'll accumulate up to 10 mana gems, enabling increasingly powerful plays as the game progresses. The attack token dictates who can initiate an attack phase, rotating between players each round. When attacking, you'll position your units to strike the enemy nexus, while your opponent will strategically place their units to block and defend. Legend of Runeterra features 3 main card types: units, spells, and landmarks, each serving unique purposes. Spells come in 3 speeds. Burst spells resolve instantly, fast spells allow for opponent responses, and slow spells can only be played outside of combat. Additionally, many units possess keywords, such as Quick Attack or Barrier, which provide powerful, game-changing abilities. To elevate your gameplay, explore diverse deck archetypes such as aggressive, control, or combo strategies. The mulligan phase, where you choose which cards to keep from your initial hand, is a critical decision point. You'll expand your collection and unlock new cards by progressing through regional rewards and opening weekly vaults, offering generous free-to-play options.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.